Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about top altcoins which has huge potential to gain and make gains like 10x, 20x, 30x and more. Probably you've heard about these altcoins. It's not top 10 or top 20 altcoins, but it's top 100 and it has huge potential to be in top 10. So stay with me and we're going to look at this closely. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment my videos. I really appreciate your support. And guys, don't forget about free Bybit bonus, which is $4,100, and you can find the link below my videos. It takes only 20 seconds to sign up and trade, and it's way better to trade with money which is given to you as reward than with your real money, because literally you are not losing anything. It's really good opportunity for you to make some money to trade with bonus. So go ahead and sign up through my link and trade with this free Bybit bonus. Let's come back to our altcoins, and as I said before, we have few altcoins which has huge potential, and first one is mina protocol. It's rank number 85 on CoinMarketCap, and the price sitting about $4.80. And let's look at the chart of mina. Here probably it's not so clear, but in June of 2021 mina made all-time high, which was about $9, and right now we're sitting at the price $4. As I said before, we had two huge pumps right here, and two of them was about $6 price, and now we need to rise 90% to reach a new all-time high, to hit new all-time high, guys. So we still quite far from the new all-time high, but yeah, we have some space to move upwards. And let's look at the website of mina. Here we can see the main moment which makes mina special and unique. It's mina blockchain, 22 kilobytes. It's have huge potential to grow and pump. We're going to look at this closely right now with the articles and news. And the article says that as per mina protocol website, the company has created a fixed blockchain size of 22 kilobytes with the goal of eliminate all the large space accumulation problems that come with all the other crypto blockchain. When the mina protocol blockchain size is fixed at 22 kilobytes, anyone anywhere on almost any device can access mina protocol. As per their website, mina is the world's smallest blockchain due to its fixed size. So let's look again. Once again, mina blockchain 22 kilobytes and other blockchain 300 GB. So yeah, it makes huge difference, but what makes it more unique is that mina promises to provide scalability as the network grows without compromising on the data size of the blockchain. This is what sets mina apart from all the other cryptocurrencies in the market, guys. The next one is Harmony. Harmony is my special love. I have special history with Harmony, and yeah, I've got know about Harmony when price was about 15 cents only, and now it's 27. Yeah, all-time high was 34, I believe. Yes, here we can see that from the beginning, from the launch in 2019 till 2021, Harmony did nothing. It was just steady here. So yeah, the biggest growth happened in 2021, and we can see this huge pump from price of 3 cents to 20 cents. So yeah, that was the first and huge bump for Harmony. Here we have some dip, and I believe people who bought this dip are so lucky right now because we're so close to all-time high. So let's look at the website of Harmony here, and we can see that Harmony is an open and fast blockchain. Our mainnet runs Ethereum applications with 2 seconds transaction finality and 1000 times lower fees. So technically Harmony is Ethereum competitor. My personal prediction and prediction of many people who are in crypto market is that Harmony going to hit 50 cents later or the next year. Yeah, now Harmony is rank number 59 on CoinMarketCap, and I believe it's going to grow and grow. Let's look at the Twitter community for Harmony, which is quite huge, 280,000 followers, and yeah, you definitely should follow Twitter of Harmony in order to see the latest and recent news about it. Let's look at this article, which is saying Harmony launcher raised 1.7 million in private seed funding to create the world's first IDO plus IGO launchpad and incubator on Harmony blockchain. Harmony launcher will be one-step incubator platform accelerating the growth and development of Harmony blockchain-based startups while giving investors a fair opportunity to invest smartly and securely. Let's look at this article, which is saying here's why Harmony cryptocurrency is skyrocketing today. There has been a general rally for a section of tokens that are tied to blockchain that are connected to a service rather than just serving as a cryptocurrency, and Harmony's one token is participating in the rally. The token's price is also climbing thanks to recent updates announced by the network development team. Harmony allows data to be easily moved across separate blockchain, including Ethereum, Binance, and several others chain. Applications can be built on the Harmony blockchain and users pay the cost of carrying out functions with the one token. Harmony continues to look like a high-risk investment, but it's possible that its cryptocurrency will climb significantly above current prices if its network blockchain winds up being the foundation for popular applications. With interest heating up in metaverses and decentralized finance applications built on blockchains, there could be increasing demand that works to drive one token's price higher. So yes guys, don't forget about your own risk, and you always should research before investing into crypto. So guys, next one will be Cosmos, rank number 37, and we're sitting at the price of $27 right now, which is up by 4%. So yes, let's look at the price here, and the all-time high was 44, almost $45, and now we're at 27. So yeah, it's really good opportunity to buy the dip. And let's look at the market where you can buy Cosmos, and of course it's Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken. Yeah, so all of these exchanges you can purchase your Cosmos. Also, don't forget about you can stake your Cosmos the same as you can stake Mina, the same as you can stake Harmony. And if you want a video about staking your coins, I already have it. You can stake it on different exchange, but I'm going to make video about best altcoins to stake with the best annual percentage yield. So let me know in comments if you want me to make this video, and I definitely will make this video. So let's come back to Cosmos. We already saw where we can purchase this coin, and let's read a little bit about Cosmos. It's a nutshell. Cosmos built itself as a project that solves some of the hardest problems facing the blockchain industry. It aims to offer an antidote to slow, expensive, unscalable and environmentally harmful proof-of-work protocols like those used by Bitcoin, by offering an ecosystem of connected blockchains. Let's go to the website of Cosmos, and yes, here we can see 176 billion dollars digital assets under management, and yeah, secured by Atom, and you can start staking, as what I said to you before, that you always can stake these tokens, and yeah, the percentage really good. We're going to talk about it in different videos. Guys, let's look at this article, and the main question is: Cosmos a good investment? Cosmos has around a quarter of the circulating supply of Polkadot, and its price is about 30% lower, is around 77% cheaper than Avalanche, and has approximately the same circulating supply. If Cosmos can continue to lure projects to its network, there should be plenty of room for price appreciation. Let's look at this article, which is saying we'll see about 200 chains connected through Cosmos IBC next year. And let's see that ever since the launch of the inter-blockchain communications protocol in March, which enabled the communication and transfers of digital assets across different blockchains, development activity seems to have picked up pace on the Cosmos network. Let's read about interview, which is saying, I think the biggest highlight was early this year when inter-blockchain communications launched on the Cosmos hub for the first time. How much happened after that? So yeah, guys, you definitely have to look at Cosmos, and let's move to another coin, which is ranked number 64. It's Cadena, which is sitting at price of $17, which is up by 4%. And let's look at the chart. We can see that the only pump we had was really recently, 11 November, and all-time high was $24, and now we're sitting at 17. So yeah, we're not so close to all-time high, and yeah, now we during these 7 days, yeah, we're just fluctuating between this price. We had deep, which is $15, and we had pump here, which was $18. So yeah, now we're sitting at the $17 price. Let's see where you can purchase the Cadena coin, and it's Qcoin, Coin Metro, not a big list where you can purchase this coin, but anyway, let's look at the website of Cadena. And what is Cadena? Cadena is safer, smart contracts, non-cost transactions, energy efficient at scale, proven security, and industrial scalability. Let's look at some articles about Cadena, which is saying Cadena price predictions. Where can NFTs and DeFi take the KDA crypto? Cadena is a blockchain network that claims to be one of the most high scaling layer 1 network in the world. We already heard about one layer 1 network, which is Mina, and Cadena is a competitor of Mina, of course. So yeah, let's have a look on it. Recently, Cadena has also been editing a number of tools which will help to greatly build out its existing ecosystem. Let's look at Cadena price predictions here, and let's highlight that Cadena might rise up to $27 in the next year, according to wallet investors. And also there's another prediction which is saying that, however, now the platform say that the cryptocurrency will fall down to $13 in 2022. Another kind of prediction is the platform predicts the price of Cadena to rise up to $356 by 2030. Guys, you definitely should look at Cadena. You definitely should consider it as an investment, but always do your research before investing into crypto. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll hope to see you in my next one.